not tasted this before, but I think I like the taste.
It's wonderful and all of that.
It's a place to visit.
I just confirmed it.
You are watching Holy Kings Imagery YouTube channel. I welcome you all to another episode of Abuja Elite, where you can get the best updates on fashion, lifestyle products. And today we are at Time Out Restaurant, and let's see what they have for us, and let's see some magic. Let's go. Thank you. Some magic. From here we are entering into the kitchen. We are going into the kitchen where you can see some explore. Let's go meet the chef.
That is Time Out Musical Rice.
Welcome you back on our lifestyle program, Abuja Elite. We are back from the kitchen, so we want to have some appetizer. And guess what? I have Emmanuel here. He's going to be telling me how the food looks. And here we have an appetizer. This is inkwabi, and let's see how it's cooked. I think this is nice, man.
I've not tasted this before, but I think I like the taste.
I'm telling you, it's
Wonderful and all of that.
a place to visit. I'm telling
Today I
you.
just confirmed it.
I really appreciate you coming out of your busy schedule, making it back to the end. Welcome you back to our lifestyle program. So we are still at Time Out. Guess what I have on my program today? I have Linda. Welcome, Linda, and thank you very much for making our time to be here. So before we have the dinner, we want us to have some chapman. This guy is very good at mixing. Linda, I know you're gonna love this.
I'm waiting.
Linda, I hope you're enjoying this.
Yes.
Next time maybe I call you for the day, I hope you won't tell me no.
I'll think about it.
You think about it, then why you see me? Yeah! After the show, we still have Linda on my program. So she's gonna tell me how it looks. She's the best person that can tell me this is how it looks. I'm gonna believe that. So, Linda, please let's unveil. Wow! Yeah! You know what you're saying? This is Time Out Mexican rice.
The good thing about this meal is that bits and pieces of meat will be mixed in it. So for every bite you take, there's a piece of meat in your mouth to complement it, and the taste as good as good. Let me just put it that way. If not better.
Wow.
So for the taste, I'll give it an A.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to hear that. I thought I was really going to fail that stage. Thank you very much. As you can see, this is Time Out Mexican rice, and it's really something else. I really enjoy these. I tell you, taste these, call these people for color. When it comes to Time Out Mexican rice, it is tons of. And I won't stop eating this until I finish it. Thanks for watching from Holy Kings Imagery. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel